Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type the euro or the sterling symbol on your iPhone keyboard. So let's get started. So I'm just going to go open up notes here to give you examples so I can open up the keyboard. So first thing is you're going to go ahead and open up your keyboard depending on whatever app you're using. And then you're going to tap on the numbers 1, 2, 3 here to get to the number section. Now this is where you find it. It's kind of hidden. It's not right here. But you want to long press and hold the dollar sign. So if you long press and hold the dollar sign, you see here it brings up, and then you're going to slide your finger over. So if you wanted euro versus the sterling, they're all here, and then a couple other symbols as well. So for this one, I can see here a long press and hold, and then I can just move my finger and I can type in the euro or the sterling symbol. Again, the key here is long pressing that dollar sign to bring up the menu, and then you have to slide your finger over to pick any of these symbols. So as you can see here, euro and then sterling as well. So that's how you can type in those symbols on your iPhone keyboard. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.